An Israel airstrike that deliberately killed several Aljazera journalists has aggravated tensions between Israel and Qatar, which funds the television network and is also a center mediator in talks to end the war in Gaza City. The Israel attack on Sunday near a hospital in Gaza City killed 5 Aljazera journalists, the network reported. The correspondents Anas al-Sharif and Muhammad Kwelik, the photographer Ibrahim Zafar and Moem Aliwa, and an assistant Muhammad Noufa. The network had previously said 4 of its people died in the attack. Gaza officials said that in addition to the journalists, 2 others were also killed. The Israel military had accused Mr. al-Sharif of being a Hamas fighter, an allegation that he and the network had rejected, and pointedly identified Aljazera as Qatar. The government of Qatar responded with a strong condemnation. The deliberate targeting of journalists by Israel in the Gaza Strip reveals how these crimes are beyond imaginations. Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdulrahman Al Thani, the Prime Minister of Qatar, said on Monday, in criticizing the international community's inability to stop this tragedy. Famine has been confirmed in Gaza City and the surrounding areas for the first time, according to a report by the UN-backed food security body Integrated Food Security Phase Classification, call it the IPC. 500,000 people in the territory are facing starvation, destitution, and death, reports the IPC, which expects the crisis to get worse in the coming weeks. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres calls it a failure of humanity. The IPC, along with many international aid agencies, describes the famine as a man-made catastrophe. Some says it has been deliberately engineered by the Israel military. Israeli Strongs denies this allegation, saying there is no famine in Gaza and that it has significantly increased the aid deliveries. The country also says the IPC used unreliable data controlled by Hamas and accuses the body of changing its methodology, something both the ICP and the food security experts reject as false. Gaza City is now facing a renewed Israel offensive, with troops operating on its outskirts as part of a plan to take control of the city. There have been peace talks between Israel and Hamas, but key difference remains. While Hamas has agreed to a proposal by mediators for a 60-day ceasefire in exchange for releasing half of the remaining hostages, Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has apparently rejected this, saying he has instructed negotiations to begin for the releasing of all remaining hostages. Sechan's Douglas, MRIU TV.